I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way, my girl? Talking about my girl.
Happy birthday, Mommy Love. We love you.
Happy birthday, Win! Inaot ko ang tawin nga makaabot pa ka o laing katuigan sa imong adlaw nga natawhan.
I was sick and tired of everything.
Happy birthday, Ma. Wishing you more birthdays to come. Good health and we love you. Thank you for everything.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mama. Happy 70th birthday.
To my lovely wife, Wealthy, happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. Stay healthy and always loving your family. I love you.
You know what to do. It's time to put your phone down and raise your attitude. The God
Sa imong happy birthday karon nga hatagan po taga-hataas ng kinabuhi.
Hello, Win! Happy birthday!
let it scream, let it shout, let them know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving, don't leave a single doubt.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. Salamat sa tanan. Suporta. Og sa tanan. Salamat. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Tewils!
Let's have a celebration. It's time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have a celebration. If you believe that Jesus set you free.
Hi, Mang Wells! Happy birthday! Happy New Year!
Win, happy birthday, Win! 70 years!
Happy birthday, Mommy Welsie! We love you!
Happy birthday, Win. Inapunta nga, tagan po kayo kabaskin sa lawas. Lain pang katuigan mo. Kami, ako nagpasalamat ako sa kaayos akong igsuon. Ay mayo kaysa sa amua. Muna nga, hinaot punta nga, tagan siya kabaskin sa lawas. Many birthdays to come. Ang eldest daughter ni Welsie Cortez. Mama, thank you so much sa tanan na imong gibuhat sa among lives. Ang ako agyod pinaka-thankful is you introduce us to Jesus Christ. That relationship really has changed and shaped us into the person of who we are today. Thank you kay nagpursige gyud siya na dadon mi sa church maskig samo kay mi ng mga bata. Kada buntag matahon mi niyag sayo, yaming bitbiton tanan sa church, upat mi kabuok. Mga samo kaayo. Human maglingkod sa Sunday school dili pagud maminaw. No. Dili maminaw magdagandagan. Human agaron permanente, dugay mo mata. Tapos pag lunchtime na, dili mo kaon. So, hassle good kaayo magdala og bata sa church. Pero, looking back and growing up, na-appreciate na mo, kay mo ang ginabuhat sa mong family karon. We bring our kids to church. So, that's the best thing na makaingon ko na gihatag nimo sa amoa. Introducing us to the Lord and have a relationship with God. So, thank you so much for fighting through it. Gibit-bit mo sa church, and thank you for all the things that you have done in our lives. And tinuod good na ikaw ang mothers are the light of the house. So when you're there, everything lights up. Daghan activities, daghan kalingawan, bibo kaayo pag naa si mama. Daghan siyang activities na mahuna-hunaan para sa mua. Thank you so much, and I love you to the moon and back. for sure, no, kung unsa siya kabibo sa ilang balay, during her term as our president, bibo sadli sa club, and she makes sure nga nagid siya project. Diba, tita? And I would always remember how generous gid si tita as a president during her term, and even up to karon. And we were just so blessed and grateful na naging part po siya sa Mount Apple Lions Club. And we are so grateful and thankful to Tita, and we are happy to be part of this milestone. Salamat, Tita, for the invitation, and we love you.
With Sister Wilsie as our leader, no, sa church namo, daghan po ko nakatunan sa iya. He's really ang isa sa gift yun niya, giving. Tinood yun to, no, giving. Just like my wife, giving po. So, medyo sa tanan nga dili po kayo gifted ana. Kung di nakasabot sa ilang giving, it might be more ba. Pero it inspires us to really kanang share our blessings to other people. Nakita ko na ko sa giingon sa iyang anak, Sheila, light. She's the light of the house. No? Yung ani ginang mother. So, Sister Wilsie, thank you sad kayo for knowing you. Even a part of the church, daghan kag na inspire po sad sa amo, not just being a member, but really a leader. And nakita na ko ang mga good examples sa iya. With great power comes great responsibility. Being also a 70-year-older na daghan na kag wisdom. Mas daghan kag wisdom sa ako. So give me, share your wisdom sa tanan. Thank you, Kaya.
And of course, happy 70th birthday, Auntie. So ako daw mag-represent in behalf sa Cortez family. So Auntie, happy 70th birthday. Thank you so much, Auntie, especially during those times na sa amo ang down sa family namo. Grabe ka supportive si Auntie Welsie gyud sa amo. So we're thankful and grateful for everything, Auntie, na imuhang gihatag ug imuhang gi-share sa amo itong mga times na kanabang struggles and down sa among life. My Auntie Welsie is always been there for us. And thank you kay Auntie sa imuhang mga advices and guidance also. When I used to work with them also for 2 years sa accounting firm. And I wish you good health always, of course, and many more birthdays to celebrate pa, Auntie, nga mas ma-enjoy pa nimo imuhang farm dini ang hasang dakua. And of course, together sa imong mga apo, Auntie. So thank you so much po, Auntie. Daghan kayong salamat, and I love you. We love you po. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Si Cortez, ang celebrant today. Aside from being my mother, she's also my boss. So, thank you, boss, for being so understanding sa tanan akong mga ginabuhat in life. Maski sometimes kailangan ako mag-cut of days kay tungod sa akong pag-eskwela, but then very supportive ka and kamo ni Papa. And thank you for also pushing me to be better sa tanan akong ginabuhat, maski dili ko ganahan sa mga ginabuhat, but then ikaw yung pinaka-pushera. Gina-push nyo kanimo to reach my limits and also to reach beyond what I have already achieved. And what more can I say? I just wish that for all your projects to be completed, hunta mahitabo na jud na siya. And also para ma-enjoy na pud nimo ang imuhang mga creation nimo, imong mga projects in life, not just para sa imuha, but also for every member of the family imuhang gi-providean. Dili lang pang grocery, kundi pang house and lot package. Thank you so much sa imuhang generosity, Mama. And I pray that you will have good health, perminti, and I know, dili man jud ka perminti ma-stress, kaya ako man ang perminti ma-stress. You're the one who's telling me, kaya ka na, gura, maunsa man na, nang Ginoo. Ano ba? So, mo nang, unta matakdan ko gamay sa mong positivity in life. being the pessimist. So, that's it. Happy birthday, Mama!
Good afternoon. Una-una, pasalamat po kay Pastora May sa iyang paghatag og panahon sa ako nga sa kalayo diri sa lugar iya jud kung tagag panahon para iyang i-dedicate ang phone. Pastor Alan, Sister Inday, Sister Lourdes, o si Listy nga murag hing sampa lang ni sa tibod. Og sila ni salamat og ako mga once again Lions family. Wala dito na jud mo isa-isahon. Salamat jud sa inyo ang tanan kay atong 60th birthday na ako naapod mo ato. Ay karon 17 ako nanapod yapon mo. Salamat jud kaayo sa inyong time. Salamat sa inyong time, sa inyong paghatag og ang inyong mga lakaw karon yung gikan sa tungod yung sa ako. Salamat jud sa tanan. Kay na-feel na ko ang inyong love. Ang love jud kahibalo ko love jud ko ninyo kinaamo karon sa ako ang birthday. Og salamat. Salamat Lord sa tanan na blessing. Salamat sa good health. Salamat sa travel from Davao to Marilog, Lawi-Lawi to Davao City. Once again, happy birthday ko sa akong self. Thank you. Okay, Alang, okay, Bibi, salamat sa inyong basig na amoy plano ay hiring duha sila nag-decorate. I-contact lang po ninyo. Wa ko'y komisyon, ako na yatag sa ila. Salamat po kay Sheila. Hinguli dyan si Sheila sa akong birthday. 70th birthday. So, from US to Philippines, Philippines to US, January 3, balik siya. Inana lang kamubo. Iyang gihatag na panahon para diri kay para ma-attend lang dyan siya sa ako ang birthday. Thank you na. Thank you sa tanan.
A celebration. It's time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have a celebration. If you believe that Jesus set you free, it's time to celebrate. Time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have a celebration.